everything is moving at a very fast pace. This whole precision medicine, the industry stakeholders, you have you being a research-based organization, pulling together this data, giving it access to around the world to people. The drug discovery and development and bringing new therapies to market is moving at an exceptionally fast pace. The FDA is putting a lot of this on fast track for approval to save patients, find cures for some of these conditions. What role, it seems to me that in precision medicine, the diagnostics and companion diagnostics are going to play a big role. And can you speak to the importance of that in the upfront process when a patient is diagnosed?
Absolutely. And in multiple myeloma specifically, diagnostic companies really haven't been very much involved because the drugs, again, have been applicable for a wide population and really effective for a wide population. But when you start going down the precision medicine path, you really do want to make sure that you are screening patients for specific mutations or translocations and putting those patients on the treatments. So it will be very important for the companies, bringing the drugs forward, and we're working very closely with them to also make sure there's a companion diagnostic developed as well. And I do think that FDA will probably mandate that to make sure that if this is a drug for a specific population, you want to make sure that you're identifying that population and being as efficient as possible. What we're trying to tell companies as well too is that myeloma, there's still a lot of opportunity for drug development in multiple myeloma. There's probably still a need for broader classes, but there absolutely is a need for very targeted treatments. Just this morning, some data was presented on a drug that was being tested in a wide population, but the benefits were really restricted to patients who had translocation of chromosomes 11, 14. The responses, very small sample size, were tremendous. And Keith Stewart, who was presenting the data, updated data will be presented later in this meeting, said that this drug probably won't have widespread applicability. It probably will only be for those patients with that translocation. Well, it will be important to have the diagnostic to identify them up front and then provide them with the treatment.